I have a box and it's from Germany and I'm about to open it, and I did not think I was going to get to see a copy of this until December because usually my sample copies arrive about the time it hits the US market or sometimes after that. But I got an email from the art director a few days ago and she was like, hey, do you want us to mail you a copy? And I'm like, yes, please. So I have 6 portals. I have one of the first copies and it's here in this box and it was sent to me. Before I open this, I have 3 housekeeping things. First of all, if you haven't signed up for this month's Secret Kitty giveaway, it's on my website. You go onto the artist bio page and click on the cute little blue kitten with a book. The second housekeeping thing, I know a lot of you have been reading Saturnia and that makes me so insanely happy. And if you have a chance, if you could please write a review. I'm terrible at asking for reviews. I feel like I'm asking for praise. I'm not asking for praise. I'm just asking for essentially marketing help in a way, sort of. But yeah, if you could write a review on Goodreads or Amazon or whatever website you prefer, make a TikTok, whatever, reviews help. Third thing, these gorgeous giant canvas prints are live again on iCanvas, and I will post the link. There's some new designs on there that have never been offered before. The print quality on them is absolutely gorgeous. And it's a way, if you like the puzzle art, but don't want to mount and frame a puzzle and have the nice continuous image, these are available. So let's get this open. Holy cow, this is heavy. This is heavy. I'm gonna go grab my postal scale. I'll be back in a second, I'm curious. Okay, I'm back. Oh my gosh, it's so shiny. Some serious puzzle. £8, 4 ounces. That is huge. Oh my goodness. This is so gorgeous. This is nice. It has like it's a lidded design, I guess I could say. This is so heavy. 8 pounds is like the weight of a gallon of milk. So that's what this feels like. Let me show you in comparison to some of my other Ravensburgers. So this was like the 2,000 piece Dragon Valley. It's like twice the size versus this is the 150 on the little kids Stargada Scoops puzzle. But it's like massive. Oh my goodness. So pretty. Okay. I don't know if I want to cut these little tabs or peel them. I feel so special right now. Okay, I think I'm gonna cut the tabs. By tabs, I mean like the little plastic stickers on the side. Okay, I cut the first one, but I don't want to cut the rest of them. I will. I cannot express to you how heavy this box is. If anybody from Ravensburger is watching this video, thank you so much for sending me this early. Okay, cutting. Whoa. A box inside a box here. That's cool. Judging by the color, I think the second bag has the winter, the night, and the, yeah, definitely has the ocean. They give you a nice little booklet. And it shows you the A-B side there. Okay. They give you a big poster. poster is about 2 feet by 3 feet. And remember, the final puzzle is 4 feet by 6 feet. It's a nice quality poster. Okay, I was planning on waiting until my mom came for a visit, because she is like the really, really big puzzler in my family, and she's awesome at helping me put together the larger puzzles. So that is my plan, but I am really tempted to start this now. Do I need to get some sort of backing sheet to put on the table and figure out how to transfer this? And I've actually never mounted one of my puzzles before. I know, blasphemy, right? Because usually if I want the image, I get them printed on the large canvases. But I feel like I need to put this one together and like put it on this wall. So yeah. I look forward to seeing everyone's adventure putting this puzzle together. Please tag me, email me, message me. I am excited to see people across the world putting this image together.